Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez and today we're going to do an unboxing. Actually, it's the iPhone 13. So what I did, I just ordered this online and we have the two iPhone here, iPhones. These are iPhone 10. So I just decided to have a newer one, which is Apple 13 or iPhone 13. So let's open it and let's see what is inside the box. I'm excited to have this one because I need a bigger or an iPhone that has storage, because more storage, because this one only has 64 GB and this is double the data, the storage. So this is 128 GB. So we have a bigger box and it's good that it's secured and yeah. So we're gonna put it here and this is what is inside the box. And let's see. And I have the SIM card here for my phone. So we're just gonna leave it here. So this is how it looks like, and I also selected the blue color, so it's pretty good. So there you go, and let's see where I can open. So let's just do it from the back. So it's really secured, so let's remove that. And the good thing with this is, I have been using actually iPhone for quite some time now. This is my third one. I used to have the Android, but for more than 5 years, I have been using iPhone and I really like it. So that's why I decided to get a new one. And the latest is iPhone 14, but I just got the iPhone 13. So when you have to buy this from the store, it's around 1,000 Canadian. So this is pretty cool. Look at that. Let's see the size. It's almost this, it's the same size actually. So there. And so that's the back. I like the color of this. And I'm going to set it up. And also, I like Apple or Apple products. I also have iPads and MacBook from Apple. And because with the phones, I find it very straightforward and it's easy to use. And of course, with my experience, it has a high level of security. So I like Apple products. And when you look at some of my previous videos, I also have Apple iPhones and iPad and also the laptop or the MacBook that's in some of my YouTube videos. So this is the color. It's pretty cool. And this is the back of the iPhone 10. It's old. I have this for almost 4 years now, or even more than that. Yeah. Actually, I got it 2019, so now it's time to change it. So that's the one. And it's also nice because, it's not too big. I like something that I can still have a good grip with. So this is pretty cool. And also, I think this is 5.8 inch. With my iPhone 10, I find the colors with the camera here very vibrant. And so I'm hoping that this new one has the same thing. And when I was reading it, it was actually mentioned that this has a better color. And the design is also good. And it has the top-notch specs, great screen. So I can't wait to use it. And also, the price is okay. It's not too expensive. So for every 2 or 3 years, they recommend that you have to change your phone. But for me, as long as it's still working, then I can keep it even longer, right? So, but this one, I just decided to have a new one because this is only 64. This old phone I have has 64 GB, and this has the double data, 128 GB or double storage. So yeah, I'm excited, and now I'm going to charge it. This doesn't come with, let's see here. I think you have to, oh, there is this. So I still have the other products from Apple that I can use. Yeah, so this is perfect. And I also have the earpods from them, so I can also use that with, let's see here. I think it's the other side. So the color is really good. Yeah, and also I would recommend, if you travel a lot or you have been doing extra work outside, or need more security for your phone, it's better to have something like this, like the protection, right? So this is sturdy, so it's the same thing as this. I have, okay, so there you go. And yeah, this is slim, can't wait to use it. So also avoid exposing your device on more than 35 degrees Celsius, or I think 95 degrees Fahrenheit, because it can permanently damage the battery of your device. So avoid doing that. And yeah, I can't wait until I use this. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next video. And thank you for the support. God bless us all. This is Arlene Mendez, and bye for now.